So this is just a quick video tutorial of our web application system. As you can see from the title, it is a book searching system. To elaborate on that, it is a system where you can search for the author of a book, and it will tell you all the different books that this author has made. So let's go ahead and do a search. So if you just click on the box here, the input box, you can type in your search. The one we'll be using for this example is the author called Voltaire. As you can see, we've searched him before. So once you have inputted the search, you can press go, and it will show you a copy of the query that is to be submitted to the server for processing. Just so you can check over there that everything is right. Once that's okay, you can press the OK button. This is just the format, and then press OK again, and it's got success, which tells you that this value in the input search box has been successfully saved to an SQL database, which is hosted on the internet. So it is a remote database. If you press OK now, you are presented with this table that displays the results. So you've got the book name here, which tells you all the different books that the author has written, and you've also got links to view more information about these books on the DBpedia website, and there's also some links on how you can obtain this information through the use of SPARQL queries. As you can see just above this as well, you have a SPARQL query. We've just printed it out into the view so that the user can see the query that they have submitted, just to make sure that the results that they have yielded in the table here are the correct results. You may have also noticed that at the top of the application we have put this little pointer. It's just to say that you need to use a capital letter to start the search. We did try and get around this problem by replacing the first letter with a capital, which I'll show you now, just by typing hello. As you can see, it replaces the first letter with a capital letter. However, when you actually submit the query, it doesn't register with a capital letter for some reason. So that is still something we are looking to fix. So earlier on, obviously, we submitted the search, and now we can view the search history just by pressing on the go button just underneath here. Now, originally it was 4 records, just these 4 here, which I will show you that it adds another one. We'll do another search and it'll come up with a new record to total 6. As you'll be able to read in our report, we were not actually able to get the search values to save to the database. It would create a new record in the database. However, the record would be blank. So with our code, we can loop through the data table in the SQL database, and it will present us with just the blank results because we weren't actually able to save the search queries into the database successfully, unfortunately. So just to show you that this does actually work, there's 5 here, just so you can see. If we close this now, submit another search, we'll just do Voltaire again for the purpose of this example. Just press go, run through all this again, and then if we press go on the search history, it'll now present us with 6 records. So as you can see, if the record was actually submitted to the database properly the way we would have wanted, it would have shown you the searches next to the new statement here. However, we could not get the value to pass through the PHP and the AJAX code correctly, so we were unable to display this correctly. So this is our system. It's fairly basic, but I mean, it does search from a database, and you can pull up information from an author. If you were to search through the DBpedia website and look for another author, you would also be able to find some more books. So let's just try this now as an example. See if we can find James Patterson. Press go. And here's some books by James Patterson also. So it does work with different authors. It's not just Voltaire. It does actually connect to the DBpedia website, and it pulls off all the data in relation to the search that you entered. And obviously, as you can see, all the books are here. And if we were to press go now, there's a 7th entry, but obviously, as mentioned before, there is no data to display as we couldn't get it to save to the database properly. So I hope this is okay, and thanks for watching.